In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix FaceTime lagging issues on your iPhone, helping you to speed up FaceTime calls efficiently. Now let's get started. First and foremost, it's vital to ensure that you're using a strong internet connection. This is the backbone of a smooth FaceTime experience. Ideally, you'll want to be on a fast, stable Wi-Fi connection. Avoid using FaceTime in areas with a weak signal or where network congestion is high. These conditions can severely affect call quality and lead to frustrating lag. Next, let's talk about apps. Having many apps open in the background can burden your iPhone, using up valuable RAM that could otherwise be used for FaceTime. Simply double tap the home button on older iPhone models, or swipe up from the bottom on Face ID models to bring up the app switcher. Then close any apps that you're not actively using. This frees up system resources, potentially leading to a smoother FaceTime call. Now, another easy fix is to restart your iPhone. This may sound simple, but it can be incredibly effective. Restarting your device helps clear temporary system glitches that may be causing performance issues, including FaceTime lag. It's a refresh for your phone and can often resolve minor problems without further intervention. Keeping your iPhone updated is another important step. Make sure you have the latest iOS installed. Apple constantly works on improving system performance and may include fixes for FaceTime problems in their updates. To check for updates, navigate to Settings, go to General, and then Software Update. If there's an update available, make sure to install it. Let's not forget about low power mode. While it's great for saving battery life, it can also limit performance during FaceTime calls. So go to Settings, then Battery, and ensure low power mode is turned off when you're on a call. This small adjustment can make a big difference in call quality. Finally, if you've tried all these steps and are still experiencing lag, you might need to reset your network settings. Keep in mind that this will remove saved Wi-Fi networks and passwords, so you'll want to have those handy before proceeding. To reset, go to Settings, then General, followed by Transfer or Reset iPhone, then Reset, and finally select Reset Network Settings. Each of these steps is designed to target different aspects of performance that, when optimized, can significantly enhance your FaceTime calling experience. With a few adjustments and regular maintenance, you'll be well on your way to smoother, lag-free conversations. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you have better FaceTime calls from here on out.